Welcome back to Friday. It's going to be a week of race car, I'm afraid. Okay, what we've got to do, we've just got welding to do. So I'm just going to crack on with the bulkhead. I need to give the roll cage guy a call in a minute. Sort that out. Somebody said I might have had the ties on the wrong. Could well be, just flip back on the other side. I don't know whether the tread's right. But somebody mentioned it, but really we can swap them over. Yeah, so we're getting there, aren't we? So yeah, scheduled to go collect all the engine parts and gearbox and wiring loom and everything on the 26th, the next Thursday, hopefully. Long old trip that'll be, but hopefully I'll get it all. And then we've got a nice long weekend, plus my birthday, which is on the 30th of April, which I got off. So my ideal dream is to get an engine running on the 30th. Whether that happens or not, it's another question. But let's crack on with the bulkhead. Nothing else to do apart from weld. Getting bored of welding bulkhead. Horrible work, loads of it. What I've just done is cut these little things off. They were just there holding the original dashboard and binnacle off, you know, where the heater controls are and all that sort of stuff. So I've cut them off the best I can, nice and thin. Just going to move them up, hopefully bodge them on, and we're getting roughly where the dashboard goes and get some welds on them, so that'll hold the dashboard in. That's the idea anyway. Let's go get the dashboard. Okay, that's the dashboard. I don't know where my little brackets are gone. There's one of them. So what we do, we just mount them behind there, and a couple of little bolts so we can go through there, hold them on that dashboard. That will keep that solid, and then we'll put some nuts and bolts along the top, or we'll weld some nuts in, and that will hold the top in as well. Obviously you don't really need to be doing the dashboard just at the moment, but it's quite hot, and I can do anything I like. There you go, something completely irrelevant to do just at this moment in time. But yeah, just tack a couple of them back on. Got to reuse what you got, and then pop the dash back in, and that'll bolt through the side, bolt through there. Keep the bottom of that sturdy, and as I said, we'll just do the top at some point as well. That'll do, innit? It's a race car, innit? We get a bit of a Ep21 on that, as always. Had a good conversation with the roll cage, Pete at Fabrication. So we're looking at something a little bit special he's got. So he's going to phone me back later today or tomorrow, so we can go from there. So hopefully in the next few weeks the roll cage will turn up as well. And once this is all done, welded, so we can strengthen it up even more. Okay, in my vain attempt to ignore the bulkhead, I've cleaned all the sound deadening off the back here. And I'm going to attempt to try and just close in this rear wall. So yeah, got some 4x1 angle. I'm going to sort of put the join this side, I think, and then weld it from this side, and then weld it from the other side onto the back of the stitch, weld it across. So what I just need to do now is sort of just bend the edge a little bit, cut it, just so it fits a bit nicer to the inside of the wheel well, and also the curvature that you can't see. Curvature of the seat, as you can see. So hopefully just by slitting the bottom part we can just get a bit of curvature to it, and we'll be away. So let's see how we do. Okay, I've accurately laser cut my finger, piece of metal. We get that boshed in, stitch welding, and then obviously you've got to do another one for the other side. Carefully folded over the edge there to meet the wheel arch. Get a little weld on that later. So yeah, see what it looks like, boys. Okie dokie. You can see what I'm doing there. Not the prettiest, but it'll do. It's just a race car, isn't it? Get a few dislikes for this. Noticed I got a few dislikes the other day, but I think that's mostly because I changed the wheels. So I think some people weren't happy with me changing the wheels. Not angrily unhappy, you know, but some people just preferred the other wheels. So yeah, you never know. We've still got them. I don't think I will sell them now. Maybe, I don't know. Depends if somebody comes along and give me some cash. So we'll see. On the seat front, just while it's in my head, I spotted one of those Kirky aluminium seats with some padding on it as well, so we might go buy that, because that's I think that'll fit in there a lot better. You can see obviously with the Mini, this tunnel was much bigger, so it's not too bad, because actually the pedals are designed to sort of be over this, you know, they're quite close to the wall compared to the Minis, but what it does mean is the seat is sitting quite close to the door. And if anybody's tried fitting any sort of extra large seats or bucket seats to Minis before, you know what issues you have. The top of the sort of the Mini sort of tapers inwards, so it's a right old struggle to try and get seats in there. The other thing to do is, once we got the gearbox in, we can see if we can try and reduce this tunnel size. Where's my finger? There. But I bet you'll find that's a lot of them in there for the exhaust. Comes down that side, things like that. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to call it a quit for today. You can just see inside there, look at that lovely welding I've done. Call it for today. And the thing, my daughter's off to drive Bumblebee for like 5 minutes or something, one of these like track day type things where you get to drive a V8 muscle car or something for about 2 minutes, and you have to wait 3 hours to do it. So we're going to go do that tomorrow. And then hopefully get some time over the weekend to do a bit of this, and also I'll try and get a bit of the Mark 1 done as well, because I'm sure there's people out there that want the Mark 1 done as well. Well, me including. But anyway, pulled pork for tea tonight. Let me know what you're having. Let me know if you're having it for breakfast, because I know quite a few people watch this on a Saturday morning. So anyway, one step forward. Not too sure if we took any back, but I don't think we did. Alright guys, till next time. Bye bye.